The ranch home we're going to tour today is called the Willow Plan by U.S. Shelter Homes. It's located in Delavan, Wisconsin. And this home has approximately 1,900 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a full basement, and it's laid out as a split plan, meaning the owner suite is on one side and the guest bedroom is on the opposite side. Now as you go inside here, we're going to go right back to the main living area. Beautiful open concept plan here. You have a vaulted ceiling running the entire span of the space. Now the great room itself is about 15 by 15, so a really good size. And again, that vaulted ceiling adds so much to the room, gives it a nice open, airy feel. The builder installed a beautiful stone fireplace with a wood mantle. Now throughout the entire main living area, they have a luxury laminate tile. Very durable product. They have a wide plank installed here. It looks really good. Now here the dinette is 15 by 10. You can fit a good sized table in there, and then the kitchen is approximately 12 by 14. Quartz tops. And then they have a lovely beige tile backsplash installed. And the builder has installed a lot of cabinetry, and they put a nice crown at the top. And then all the cabinets and drawers are soft close, which is a nice added touch. And just over here is the owner's suite. A really good sized bedroom, 16 by 14, and they put a box tray ceiling to give that added volume to the space. They've staged this room with a queen bed, but you can easily see you can fit a king in here. And here's the owner's bath. Comfort height vanity, again with quartz tops. Good sized walk-in closet. And at the front of the home, we have the 2 additional bedrooms plus a full bath. And here's a look at that full unfinished basement. Plenty of space to finish off down the line. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Willow Ranch Plan by U.S. Shelter Homes. And again, it's located in Delavan, Wisconsin. If you want further information, I'll put a link below in the description to the builder's site. See you next tour.